Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make brownie cupcakes with cookie dough frosting. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, and salt. And whisk them together until they're combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a medium bowl, add in the sugar, brown sugar, and cocoa powder, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the melted butter and mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the eggs, vanilla extract, and milk, and whisk them in until they're well combined. And add in the dry ingredients and mix them in until they're just combined. Try not to overmix the batter. Then scoop the batter into a muffin pan lined with paper liners and bake them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center nearly comes out clean. You can bake them for less time if you want them more fudgy and gooey. And once they're done, remove them from the oven and set them aside and let them cool completely. This cookie dough frosting contains flour, but it's actually not safe to eat raw flour, so we're gonna heat treat it. So place it into a frying pan. Then place the pan over a medium-high heat and heat it until the flour reaches a minimum temperature of 160 degrees, stirring it most of the time. It should take about 5 to 10 minutes. Then after it's heated, remove it from the heat and place it onto a sheet of parchment paper. Then place it into a small bowl and set it aside and let it cool. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add the softened cream cheese and softened butter, and beat them on high speed until they're smooth. Then add in the brown sugar and vanilla extract, and beat them in on high speed for about a minute until they're well combined. And make sure you scrape down the sides as well. Then sift in the powdered sugar and the heat-treated flour that we made before. Make sure it's cooled completely. And the milk. Start off mixing them on low speed to combine all the ingredients. Then beat them on high speed until they're well combined. Then add in the mini chocolate chips and mix them in until they're combined. And finish it by hand to make sure all the ingredients are mixing in. And place the frosting into a large plastic bag. Spread the frosting down to one corner of the bag, press out the excess air, and seal the bag. Then cut off the corner of the bag. And once the brownie cupcakes have cooled completely, pipe the frosting on top of them. And that's how to make brownie cupcakes with cookie dough frosting. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.